Since 2018 model year, most Merida reactors are equipped with a special taillight integrated into a seat post. Merida calls this light SP, and most of us don't like it running on old AAA batteries. But what about some good sides of this light? First, it is super seamlessly integrated. Second, it is super light, just 37 grams, including the battery. And third, it is super cheap. You get it for free with your reactor. The center knob simply turns the light on and off. Illumination is constant, there is no flashing mode. But there is one hidden feature. Once your battery runs low, an optional flashing LED joins the game. And we'll check this right now. Remove the light together with the foam padding. Take the light from the padding case. No doubt, the battery is the largest part here. Replace it with another, almost dead battery. Assemble everything back. Hit the knob and see the promised flashing. Let's toggle a comparison view now. Do notice the light is also less bright on a dying battery. The idea was probably to buy you some extra time and visibility when battery runs low. Hit the like if you hear about this feature of your reactor for the first time. Ride fast, ride lots, ride safely.